Hello, darling Jane. I am so sorry that I didn't answer you before. You asked me how things are going. Well, I want to be honest with you guys, and to be very honest, I have been struggling lately. I did not have any inspiration when I came back in the Netherlands. Wow. Our garden was like such a big mess, and I could not, it felt like I couldn't, how do you say that in English? Like you could not root or something. I didn't feel home anymore here, and like the weather was not so nice, and I really miss Bulgaria. I really miss the space in Bulgaria. I miss the house. I miss the people. I miss everything. And so for me, it has been hard to be back in the Netherlands, to get the inspiration to just record videos and all the things. So that's why I have not been recording so many videos. I have been recording a few. I am praying and trying to get back on my feet again, and just, I have to trust that, that we will get back to Bulgaria when things are, when time is right. Let's say it like that. So for the people that do follow me, we are really hoping and praying that we will get a good car, reliable car for in Bulgaria, because that will make things so much easier for us to just, you can just have some cheap plane tickets to fly from the Netherlands to Bulgaria, and that would be amazing. But because my husband is still recovering from a burnout, and our daughter is still, having some mental health issues, and she is actually finally getting the help that she needs here in the Netherlands. So for us, that's the most important thing for right now. So our focus right now is our family, and to get back on our feet, and then hopefully we will get back to Bulgaria. And that is, that's the dream, because here in the Netherlands we don't have a lot of space in this house. So that's the honest truth, and I didn't want to answer you before I was I had to get my I had to, how do you say that, to get my I had to get my strength back to answer and to just, to be real with you guys, because I really believe that our future is in Bulgaria and that we will get back there. But for now, we just need to focus on our family. So please, for the people that do pray for us, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much, Jane, for your love and support, and for everybody that has been supporting us in Bulgaria, has been following us, because it's such a dream. We really hope that we will get back there as soon as possible. And for everybody that is watching me right now, God bless you, and be happy and love each other, and we will see you soon again. Bye for now.